Hi, my name's Curtis Haynes, and I'm here today to talk about Permatex RTV silicone gasket makers and the different RTV formulas we've got to make sure that your job gets done the right way. Permatex has three main types of gasket makers and sealants: RTVs, anaerobics, and solvent-based. Permatex RTVs can replace many traditional gaskets, and they actually work better than OE gaskets, because RTVs are better at sealing gaps than traditional cut gaskets, and our RTVs also resist shrinking, cracking, and migration caused by thermal cycling. Permatex gives you three RTV types: our conventional RTVs, our Ultra Series, and our elastomerics. In this video, I'm going to cover our conventional and Ultra Series RTVs. If you need to put the vehicle back into service immediately, use one of our elastomeric RTV gasket makers that we call the right stuff. Let's look at our line of conventional RTVs first. Permatex Sensor Safe Blue RTV silicone gasket maker was our original RTV formula. Like all of our RTVs, it won't foul coolant temp sensors, it's non-corrosive, sensor safe, and it replaces almost any cut gasket. Sensor Safe Blue creates reliable, formed-in-place gaskets, and it's good for up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Permatex High Temp Red RTV silicone gasket maker takes the operating temperature up to 650 degrees Fahrenheit, and it gives you the performance you want for heavy-duty vehicle applications and towing. Permatex Sensor Safe High Temp RTV silicone gasket maker is also good to 650 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's safe for vehicles with oxygen sensors. Permatex Water Pump and Thermostat RTV silicone gasket maker is your choice for water pumps and thermostat housings because it has the highest water glycol resistance available in an RTV gasket maker. If you're working with an automatic transmission, Permatex has an RTV gasket maker for that. Permatex Automatic Transmission RTV gasket maker complies with extended warranty requirements and provides excellent resistance to transmission fluid. Gear oil has friction modifiers and other additives that break down conventional RTVs. So Permatex Gear Oil RTV gasket maker is made to hold up against the gear oil found in differentials and transfer cases. Okay, we've seen our conventional RTV gasket makers. Now, let's take a look at Permatex Ultra Series. All Permatex Ultra Series RTVs are formulated to meet or exceed OEM specs. They're sensor safe, non-corrosive, and they're super resistant to automotive fluids. Permatex Ultra Blue multi-purpose RTV silicone gasket maker is 8 times more flexible than cork or composite gaskets. Plus, it's 3 times more oil resistant than conventional RTV silicones. Permatex Ultra Black Maximum Oil Resistant RTV silicone gasket maker was developed specifically to provide compliance with extended drivetrain warranty requirements. And Permatex Ultra Gray Rigid High Torque RTV silicone gasket maker was engineered to handle high torque and high vibrations common in import engines. Permatex Ultra Copper Maximum Temperature RTV silicone gasket maker is formulated for high operating temperatures, turbocharger applications, and exhaust systems, and it's a favorite for sealing high-performance exhaust headers. And finally, Permatex Ultra Synthetic gasket maker was designed to hold up against the unique chemical properties of a synthetic motor oil. Ultra Synthetic prevents the leak paths that are common with full and blended synthetic motor oils. Okay, so that's our Permatex RTV gasket maker lineup. You can check which assemblies each RTV is recommended for on our website at permatex.com. Our gasket makers can make your work faster and more reliable in just about any sealing operation. I'm Curtis Haynes for Permatex, and thanks for watching.